Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automate Instagram comments with Manychat. This is a powerful way to engage with your audience instantly and save tons of time by automatically responding to people who comment on your posts or reels. Let's jump right in and set this up step by step. First, open your Manychat website in your browser. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the navigation menu. From there, click on Automation. This section is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll create workflows that respond to user actions automatically. Next, click on New Automation. This will open up a menu with different options for setting up your automation. From those options, click Start from Scratch and then select Start with a blank. Starting from scratch gives you full control over how your automation behaves and allows you to customize every detail according to your needs. Now it's time to define what will trigger this automation. Click on New Trigger. This is the condition that tells Manychat when to activate your automated response. From the trigger options, click User Comments on your post or reel. This ensures that whenever someone leaves a comment, Manychat will automatically execute the actions you set up. You'll now see a few options for how specific you want this trigger to be. You can choose specific posts or reels if you want the automation to apply only to certain content, all posts or reels if you want it to work across everything you publish, or next post or reels if you want it to apply only to your upcoming content. Choose whichever option fits your strategy best and click Continue. Now you need to input a keyword that will activate the automation. Click on Keyword under the Include section. This allows you to target comments that contain specific words or phrases. For example, if you want to respond only when someone types info or price, you'd enter that here. Type in your chosen keyword and click Continue. This step ensures that your automation is smart and responds only to relevant comments. You'll then see a prompt asking, "Would you like to set up a public reply in the feed?" This means you can choose whether Manychat posts a reply directly in the comments section for everyone to see. You can select yes and choose from default replies or add custom ones, or you can select no if you prefer to send a private message instead. For this example, let's click no and then click Save. This keeps your response more personal and direct. Now click on the next step in the workflow. This is where you'll input the message you want Manychat to send automatically. Take your time crafting this message, make it friendly, helpful, and aligned with your brand voice. For example, you might say something like, "Thanks for your comment. Check your DMs for more details." Once you're happy with your message, you're almost done. Finally, click Set Live at the top of the screen. This activates your automation so it starts working immediately. And that's it. You've successfully automated Instagram comments with Manychat, allowing you to engage with your audience instantly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.